Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and if you're returning, thank you for watching my videos. So, by the title of this video, you know that I'm doing a very exciting unboxing. I've never actually done one of these on my channel. I think I filmed a haul like a long time ago, but I've never actually filmed an unboxing. So I'm super excited to film today. And I did just upload a video about where I've been, why I haven't been uploading that often. So if you haven't watched that, please feel free to go check it out now if you care. And without further ado, let's just get into the haul. I'm so excited. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a haul from Gucci. So obviously I couldn't go out and buy these or buy this, so I did order this item online, and honestly it was a very good experience. It was very quick. It literally shipped here in 2 days, all the way from, I think it came from New Jersey, and I'm in Canada, so it shipped here in 2 days. Very fast service. And it did come in a bag as well, like the signature Gucci packaging. So let's just get right into it. They did the little tie on them, bougie, and then inside is the signature Gucci box. This ribbon just fell off, but they, I guess, had the ribbon on there. So this is the signature Gucci box with the ribbon. And so I ordered a pair of shoes, and I'm really excited about them. So let's take the lid off. I'm not that good at unboxing. So it comes in this little tissue paper. Let me just open up the tissue paper here. And these are the shoes that I ordered. So I ordered these Gucci slides. So before I go into detail, they did come with 2 tags, 1 tag for each shoe, and then they also came with 2 dust bags, 1 bag for each shoe. So I thought that that was kind of cool, because if you want to travel with them, well, whenever we're able to travel again, but if you want to travel with them, it's convenient so that you don't get the other one dirty. You have that. So this is what the shoe looks like. What are these called? These are called the Rubber GG in Great White. So this is what they look like. They are so beautiful. I've been looking at these for a long time, so I finally just bought them. I was in quarantine. I wanted to shop online, and I wanted to get something that I knew that I would use. So this is the other one. They just come in these nice, like, they have this to keep the mold of the shoe, and this is what they look like. So very good quality. Like, this rubber is such good quality, and I really like them because they're not like the original ones. Like, I was gonna get the print with the flowers on it, or I was gonna get I wanted the one with the pearls on them for a while, but they don't sell those anymore. So I have been looking at these for a long time, and I'm so pumped. Like, I wish it was warm enough so that I could wear these outside, but it's not. So these retail for $345, I believe, Canadian, and after tax it came to $412.45. Shipping with Gucci is free, obviously, because you spend so much money. And I did express shipping, which is also free. You don't have to pay an extra charge for express. And yeah, they got here in literally 2 business days, which was just crazy to me. And yeah, so these are my new shoes. I'm gonna keep the little molds in here just so that it keeps the shape, just because I won't be wearing them for a few months. But anyways, so that is my haul, and I think I'm gonna do more hauls like this in the future. Sorry, I just want to put this back how it was. So So I'm going to be doing more hauls like this in the future because they're fun, and I have honestly ordered a bunch of stuff online. So I thought of doing these hauls after my Fabletics haul, and I wanted to start with just a nice high-end haul. But I did order a bunch of stuff online, so when that gets here, I'm going to be doing a bunch more hauls. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you want to get these shoes, they do run true to size, so just remember that. I think it mentions it on their website when you go to purchase. But thank you so much for watching this Gucci unboxing, and I hope that you all are staying safe and taking all of the safety precautions against, you know, everything going on in the world. I know that it's really tough, and I just wanted to kind of upload a nice lighthearted video, and I'm going to be uploading more videos during this time because not only do I want people to get their minds off of what's going on, but I personally do, and I know that I enjoy filming so much. So I'm going to come up with different ideas and fun things that I can film during this very difficult time, and just know we're all in this together, and just stay strong. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you will get notified every single time I upload a video. I do vlogs, I do fitness videos, what I eat in a day. Now I'm going to start doing unboxing, and if you have any video recommendations, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know, and I will definitely take them into consideration. And with that being said, all of that, I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!